Yeah, Junior Kanye TV without waste isikhathi sibonge man happy Monday to everyone. Sibonge mhlambe wonke umuntu bene weekend 1520 ezase Dayton. Junior Kanye TV, don't forget #bet with the best #well sport betting. Phethu Michael Zizungambuli. Michael mfana without waste isikhathi ngifuna sigenelele game le Sundowns versus Orlando Pirates. Two big teams in South Africa. Mfana uyibone kanjani game mfana for you mfana?
I think it was a good game, you know. Even much didn't have goals amaningi, but I think it was a good game. But it shows against good Jürgen Sashi. Pirates is stronger than Sundowns.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Asiqale nje ngegame nje overall. Lot of people they praise Wadu yabo, and ngikhuluma ngoWadu, the former Marumo Gallants coach. Wadu after just obviously yobushilo ufila becathu ezinkulu umjida. What do you think of the coach first since he's joined Orlando Pirates?
I think if you can check very well, Nochudman, coach umzumnyama, I think he has changed the Pirates a lot, and then wabanayo I continuity from Jose. It just is a matter of good in Javan to segment bamazi, because if you can check, like ngati coach and my surprises, Tana no rotate team, because if you can check the Pirates man, they've got much depth. You understand? So you see on Saturday, Uzile was an 20-year-old Waitala ahead of the good players, Abumbata and Abumbule. So it shows good in Camberwell, special something, because so far so good, Guamaj.
Yeah, Michael Fetunyaguzu Wadu and asikhulume nje ngegame yeah. The reason ubuza ngoWadu came with a surprise, right? It's a coach of surprise. Ulethu Sibisi anaboma 4 games angadlali ngikhuluma ngawe Champions League. The reason njengoba babanjwe 3 away, he came back this side also wadlalisa uSiema Broadback lo mfana uSiema. This guy enye into engiyibone ngaye right mawuthuna ama surprises, but don't you think technical team banesandla?
Singakusho lokho, but the way yana handle izinto ngakhona man, it shows good naye man. Ama-decision wakhe lawo, because ahead of Umbula, ahead of Umbata, we are talking about the Bafana materials, and then you bring a 20-year-old kule game, so it shows the trust anayo kulo mfana lo, you understand? So I think he's the one who made this decision.
Yeah, I have to believe, but when umbona how he approached the game, ngikhuluma ngale game Saturday, le Sundowns Pirates, the weekend, over the weekend, I'm talking about Saturday. The way he approached the game, you were happy. Ngokuthi aqale umfana uDancel, bekunombule kunombatha, and ngikhuluma nje starting 11 sakhe. You were happy nge-line up Evident Makgopa, ngimbona mkeeper, ngikhuluma nga-second half. Asikhulume nje nge-approach of i-game. You happy ukuthi aqale ntwana lo Dancel?
Njengoba ngisho njengaye ucoach Nochudman, it's up to yena ukuthi uza kanjani kule game, because i-training asazi ukuthi lo mfana uphakamisa isandla kanjani, because I've seen kuma previous game he's been amsebenzisa lo mfana. So I think uyabelievela kule talent anayo lo mfana ucoach, because into bengisayisho last night, we can have the best players but i-team ayingawini, kula wonke umuntu azokubuza ngama-best players wakhe angadlali, but when the team is winning, nobody is going to question about that, because if you can check i-Pirates, you allow i-Sundowns for the first 20 minutes, okay, you can play even if you don't hit us, ibavumele ukuthi ba-keep the possession until i-Sundowns izithole goal, which is for mina nale goal abalitholile i-Sundowns nabe bangalideserve, because ngibone ngathi there was a foul lapha for kumurimi until resultsela to i-goal. But into engiyibonile, Pirates was stronger than Sundowns. If i-Pirates beyithatha ama-chance wayo, I don't think abantu bebazoyibona lento kaDancil nalento kaMbule ukuthi abantu bebafuna uMbula abanye bebafuna uMbatha, you understand? So I think it's a matter of results. If Pirates bewinile le game, bengeke bangaba bayisho lento leyo. And it shows the strength abanaso manje from the bench, ukuthi Pirates is not like last season whereby ukuthi makudlala boMbatha you don't have anyone from the bench.
Yeah.
So manje it shows ukuthi kudlala uDancil, 20-year-old, usesenama experienced players. So for a squad rotation and for ukuthi bafight league, I think they've got ama-chances abaya man.
I'm finding Pirates this season to compliment one of the as technical team, because for you to sign these players, whoever can identify players, but the budget from the chairman Orlando Pirates, Dr. Ivan Khoza, bona bonkosana Khoza, bompumi Khoza, technical team, I'm talking about bonke, nabomcolis they are there, obvious. Compliment to Pirates for identifying proper players for like for Orlando Pirates, abantu abazo complement the team. Knowing ngibonga ukuthi babuyele back na ku style of play ngikhuluma nge-identity, the philosophy of the team, going back kuma-winger. Minuwari is very difficult to him compliment. The coach are one of the best team in Africa, not in South Africa. One of the best team in Africa. A very exciting team. Whoever that umuntu football and understanding without qualifications ngikhuluma nge-certificate and stuff can coach Orlando Pirates. It's like I hear people, it's a game of opinion anyway. I hear people they compliment to Wari Ngimbonile manje. Wari started very well on the Pirates, won MT8, Mshali Zandla. It took out the best out of players. And Mshali Zandla in terms of game reading, Ngimbonile kunamasapa wenzile won the game, even the Sundowns first leg and second ngikhuluma nge MT8, first game against Polokwane City Mshali Zandla. Uyakwazi yes, umuntu who understand the game, you can tell with the game yes. I'm not too sure. And njoba ngisho uma ngizothi mina one of the best coach. Mangithi I mean to say is the best coach for Orlando Pirates. Kusase early for me ngoba even na manje kuTalethe uSibisi away. Kulelalo njoba bebadlala na le team le I forgot the name of the team izobuya ke emingcondweni ngikhuluma ngeChampions League. Limpopo I mean to say. KuTalethe uSibisi angadlali 4 games kunalento about the match fitness, the confident as well. Lo mfana uSema has been doing well. Kunalento about the chemistry. Ama player understanding one another. Mina nawo singakhuluma manje masingana understanding. It doesn't make sense. Irrespective to experience kangakanani. Okanye ngimdala omncane or umdala wena ngimncane. So I think that was the biggest mistake Wadu. Also going away and play open game. Angifene attacking football to go away and concede 3 goals. It tells angibukela ngale game. I have to be honest, but Pirates, a big team like especially this season, Orlando Pirates, I don't think being mainly conceded 3 goals. Mhlawumbe ba concede coach. A coach who's so intelligent, also experienced. Ngoba it goes like experience. That's why mangibuza mina why magasayina Pirates ukuthi what has he won. I know ukuthi he's done well ngibonile marumo somehow yes they've been doing well, but what has he done? Ngoba experience vital ebholweni. Ngihlale ngidebate nabantu can't by experience. Experience coach was not gonna consider goals for me. That's my opinion anyway. I think that was the biggest mistake ukuthi adlali open game ngoba iPirates they were stronger khona pound to pound. Angeke iPirates consider 3 goals to any team, whether Al-Ahly or ever. There was no way. Also coming to Orlando, yes, I saw Wadu, his team and yabo they were approaching game ngakhona Orlando Mshali Zandla, Michael. Angithi mina sengidebate nawe manje. I'm not saying he's a bad coach. And now they were approaching game there Saturday game sengiyada. I sacrifice in faith. I love dancing. Umfana ubuye school ngifan development player. I'm talking about mangithi development ngifan. There's certain projects yama teams asikhulume ngama structures engwa complementary in terms of development, and ubuya ebhodweni elibuye opheka amanye ama players, and one of the best talent, make no mistake, ngeke ushayele yaCraig against Sundowns, didn't have a good game umfana, but usacrificeile udlala ngama ball players, uthathe ama ball players and wawanika ispan. Went there to sacrifice. We Shloniphile Sundowns. Anyway, I don't care who says what true. Sundowns, they are not the best this season. They are so poor for me. About the channel standards are, but that's me opinion yam ngoba Pirates kule game. They were supposed to beat Orlando Imamle Sundowns. It's the coach used Mbatha for me. That's me. Noma ngaba ngamqalisanga negame nombule, just as second half play them. Nokuthi adlalisele and lentwana ishay cracker. But I believe me, a coach if started mhlambe ngombatha than the Antwana, there was going to be different because Sundowns ukungabi khona kwamkwena, I think they were eliminated. They were limited. You understand, and not a dangerous team up front. Recently, Sundowns, Bosales, especially Renas Nangeko, yes, Chalulile, a sharp striker, hardworking striker, angeke next without the supplier. So usacrifice for me. That's my opinion, Michael. Angazi yabo.
Ya njengoba ngisho ngithi uwadu wena Khotman mongacheka okay yena so far njengoba bafikile njengami okay kunamanye ama games webhayi ngithi kunokukhweshin ezinye zezinto yabo. That's why ngithi coach ama surprise umuntu ongekumcreme yabo because wambile wawudliwe lipopo wabuye ekhaya wadlala without a striker, so uyangi-understand like umuntu ongavela yenze noma yini. So into engingayisho mina kuwe ngithi bona badlalile pha ne Sundowns ne, but I think the game kumele bayiwine. If they won the game bathathile lama chance abawatholile, bengeke sikhulume ngalento ukuthi we have Umbatha, we have ubani. Even if the boy didn't play well, but the Sundowns azange trouble Pirates at all. Even if negula balitholile njengoba ngisho ngisasho ukuthi lapha uMoremi if bekune VAR mhlambe lapha something should have happened, but i-Sundowns azange threatenishe because uwadu macala first 20 minutes sonke sibone ngokuthi okay mhlambe ngathi ufuna ukudefenda or ufuna ukwenzani because he allowed them too much space ukuthi okay idlalani. But even lento lemuntu uyibheka, even it gives him advantage to Sundowns because Sundowns if you check once they start playing they don't run behind the defenders, so I think they can hurt some defense because they have Allende, they have Ununo we didn't see much of Ununo because the Pirates is saying okay we allow you to start, we play a low block, so these are players abafuna ukudlala enyaweni. Some players afuna ukwenza threat by running behind
the defense, true.
So I didn't see any much danger from Sundowns abazange bayithreatenishe Pirates. Think i-Pirates bekumele ithatha ama-chance wayo le game bekumele ngabe bayiwine kamnandi ne without Umbatha, without ubani izeze game bekumele bayiwine, but it shows ukuthi how i-depth e-Pirates is strong ngakhona this season. Yeah.
But Roy, I mean I'll be honest with you. Angithi njengoba ngisho opinion. Pirates supposed to beat Sundowns ngama chances based on the chances about 20 Pirates. Pirates never played the way they played some other like open game. Some people they say Pirates are better Orlando Pirates this year in terms of the way they're playing. The philosophy has suddenly changed. Or Jose Rivera had one dimension of playing. Bekadlala counter taking speed behind the defense. Build up base. Bekungaso umuntu o rotate ibhola much. It didn't care which was a Rivera in terms of good to keep a position. I understand, but in the word in the naming emphasize engibonile banayo this thing noma by accent or that I will say priority. He sometimes want to surprise opponent. There is sometimes a game management. They do rotate it. Mara uyabona utaxi way that they believe much ufuna the space up behind. But ngama winger na Saturday what it did, he was let down by certain players. Kwenye abanye abantu kule game le, I will be straight to you. There are the players kwenye Mreme off. I know Makani one of the best right back, wing back in Africa as a continent. Also Apolis, but moments. Also I'll just say yes, Omunye Mundunduli say Unduli played, but he's playing too safe, man. I think protective back 3 or back 4. Ngoba dlala ngama wing back good special most buye beka foul beat, so yes, not much. So I will say quite game yakhe beyingekho balance, bengekho 100 like inayo coach telling lo mfana unomtetshela to go to Nuno. That's why to sacrifice ile. And this Dancel boy, Ikiode went bekafuna ama player coachable. That's my observation. Ngikhuluma ngo-coach. He wanted players. Pelumbule is so experienced. Noma ngamcoacha number tubachela ukuthi just go there into 1 2 3. They will read the situation. I don't think they will do exactly what the coach wants. They will add in on their. That's my observation going to the game. He wanted to play as a coachable coach. Bazowachela yes coach, and that's important obvious in football, in so-called modern anyway any company. Lomfana never played to his strength. One of the best talent. I think it is of course a surprise you can be there. He knows football. In box to box in each. Azangadlala to his strength. Assign Ununo. Second Dancel went there to add the number. Oh, the boy went there Azangadlala to his strength. The Antona technical is very good. Petty vision, awareness. The Antona I saw without the body. Mawuzomqalisa ngale game ingisurprisile. Ngiumuntu obelieve intwaneni especially ezazibhola. I mean le ntwana ibuye schools true. But game amani bengimqala mina Umbatha ahead of the boy. because the boy didn't have a good game, but he scored a cracker. Shading Leanto Le Rabe Onke Leand didn't have a good, he gave away. Kumena gave away manning from Fana. Begin nervousness. I mean, deep end, Lebam Fagui. And also, do the bit Lala safe cool. Now, we Pirates, if they play according to their strength, Bunny power to beat Imamle Sundowns. They've got players pound to pound who can go with Sundowns. That's why if we like strength, Pirates they had this season vet. For me, attacking the better than Sundowns. I'll be honest to you, better than Sundowns. Nkuluma attack. In the middle, mhlambe umkwena when is there Alende, Nuno. Yes, mhlambe they can compete in the middle, pound to pound. Mbule, Numbatha, Undula. I'm not too sure. I'm saying Nomtechela. Yes, ngoba noma ngabe coach bekamdlalisa uNomthethela bangamdlalisa defensive midfield bekamfaka uMbule noMbatha kimi. I played Mbule Mbatha and Nomthethela as defensive midfield. That's me. And then pound to pound you could beat Sundowns is ngoba badlala high line. They were playing high line without the speed. Abana speed badlala high line. Ngapha wing back kwabathanda ukuhamba and the coach bengamelanga aba-ask uMreme to come back and defend bekumele bachite. But uMreme naye let the coach down. That's my observation. Angazi Michael.
Yeah, I think njengoba khotmani ngisho ukuthi yena coach uOdu I think yena kule game okay bekangafuni mhlambe utshelile ukuthi okay ngifuna ukubabona ukuthi in the first third or so first half ngifuna ukubabona ku like ba-operate kanjani because I think nayo when you go to the game against a team like Sundowns the team ethanda ukudlala and then you come and say okay in the areas of operation ufuna ukuthi wena ba-operatele ngale side labo you don't care about ukuthi uba-press ubafaka under pressure you understand so you give them much ukuthi bahlale ebholweni kakhulu. By the time thina sizothola ibhola if asiyenza ama-counter right izosikhathaza kakhulu lento you understand because we are no longer playing according to our strength because iPirates nayo i-team ethanda ukwenzani ukudlala ibhola you understand. Yeah. So I think njengangisho ngithi uOdu naye ngokuthi mhlambe athi okay asibalindeni beze kithi that's why mhlambe we didn't see much
of
in terms of Orlando Pirates
in
terms of offensive
because
when you come you sit back. You understand? You allow them. Sometimes the team is unukudlala. Nanoma kunjani iqala phansi.
Yes.
Bebane position emo but bebane position
hate. Yeah.
Which was good for you Orlando Pirates. Good coach into bekanayo le ukuthi okay asibayikeleni badlaleni le. Sibone singabashayi nge high pressing. Sibabone ukuthi bazophuma kanjani until uze bafike behind the defense. Which azange bayenze even once kube nzima for bona ukuthi bathene I defense Orlando Pirates. I think ula ibalimete khona iPirates going more forward in the first half. It's okay coach uthi let them asibayikeleni sizobamba kuphi kuma count but if you don't get those counter attack right kuba i-problem lapha understand.
Yes it dangerous no keep allow Sundowns to play ngoba bafuna le space up behind you going to Sundowns nam Michael Sundowns mfethu for me ngikhuluma ngale game Saturday honestly look predictable man rotate ball too much the build up is too slow ngiyazi badlala ngama department Sundowns too predictable. They don't have players who are so sharp. They allow players abanjengabo lomfana oTladisa yabona lo wing left lebe Portugal Belgium or Portugal I can't remember Kgodisang I mean to say Kgodisang lamfana the best talent for me yalazi ibhola le not been given a chance uhambisa uThembinkosi Lodge Lodge that is doing so well, one of the best talents South Africa produced also releasing Aboneo Maema. We understand and ngikhuluma ngala ama-attack lawo bewanida Saturday. Sundowns approached the game, dominated the game first half, rotated too many back passes at Sundowns man as well. Negative. Yabo. And it's slow. Ngikhuluma na the way beba rotate ibhola ngakhona midfield. Alende did very well. But they needed Umkwena. I know with Obas naye bekadlala safe njengonduli for me. uCastlink for me kule game Saturday udlalile but ama moment nayo uyambona playing safe akafuna acheck any space akafuna ukudlala ku tight space he can't play forward he always plays sideways mhlambe a short pass always want to do that there's sometimes udlala kanjalo Nuno as well imgwinyile le game I have to be honest yes ngibonile lapha well done ingcondo yakhe ibonile inkulu yabo iprod because nale ball ebaluzile I don't think it's a foul uMrembe ngamela ngatholakala lapha na it's wrong to drop there but it tells now yena ngale game na imdrop imgwinyile wena uMrembe uNuno imgwinyile game noma ngabe ba assign someone imgwinyile game because he had his space sometimes. Ule goal late, well done to him. Pirates won the ball, bamnika uNuno. Attack his space, patrol defense, and then Waldala. Salis, not much of Salis as well. Look average for me in game Saturday Salis. That's my observation. This guy Matthews up front, ngapha left. Udlalile Matthews but 20 minutes, first 20-25 minutes. But the coach asked him to come and drop too much. That's a reason that many observation yam. So what do you think of his Sundowns when ngikhuluma njenga Saturday?
Njengoba ngisho ngithi i-Pirates njengoba ngisho ngithi u-Odu I think ukuthi adlala i-low block ngaba ukuthi aba-allow ukuthi badlale bekavalela lawo ma-windows lawo bekangafuni ukuthi njengoba ngisho ukuthi ekibe okay silicaleni ibhola you can have the position but you're not gonna hit us because if you can check u-Sales you check u-Matthews on the left uSales badlalisa yena if you check uSales is not more of a winger because they need proper wingers sometimes ama-player whereby ukuthi bazothi mabathola ibhola
bashota ngawo lawo ma-players Saturday.
they don't have that side such players because if you check last they have a player elifana noRibeiro uRibeiro out of nowhere he can angathatha abantu yabo because football singayidlala but we think individual brilliant.
Anyways,
If you can check sometimes there's no one man just special who's capable ukuthi okay mina ngathatha igame ngibeke ezandleni zami ngilandela abantu understand. So I think i-Pirates when bamastarile babonile ukuthi abadlali lapha mkwethu they will play the whole day angeke basenze next. Yeah.
That's why ngithi Sundowns they did so many ball possession without utilize yabo. They never had some but the identity of Sundowns anyway everywhere it can be Rulani Pitso Msimande the philosophy they don't change it but into bayichangeile this year ngikhuluma ngale season they lack baleka that we are behind a defense players who can take like individual brilliance. I know Nurlani front rear can be questionable but the ball rotate very quick and but it's a system team. Everybody must function. The movement of the ball was something else, yabo. And forward, there was no back pass much, Urulani. But this coach, man, is always concerned about defending. Fana nale Sapa Yenzi, the coach, West Sundowns, to take out the wing and then ufake a central midfield. Mkulis, I love Mkulis, yabo. Mkulis will play for me. A coach, keep Sales ufake Mkulis there. Mhlambe ubone the moment of the game Pirates they were coming ngoba sekona Pirates they were coming it's a game of 2 halves. Pirates njoba ngisho be observe how many chances they created nabo Sundowns how many chances they created ngaphandle kwegoal nothing khuluma nga first half both teams ba respectana it tells two big teams so Sundowns right abana ama wing angithi ngikhuluma ngale into zabolocho how do we release bona Kodisang bona lo mfana lo uThemba Inkosi Lodge noma yema urelease uRibeira ureplace shocking unabo lamfana bomabhena abo Kutlwane Lihlako bomaseko but you don't use them as a coach so for me Michael the different also the coach played a major role with Sundowns for like creativity Saturday the game was too obvious too predictable right they never had Orlando Pirates second half for me they had created chances and I think that was a game plan for me
nenye into man we must check na Sundowns kulento isho ukuthi ngale ntwana ezincane man Sundowns man is a aging team man monga-check ama-player lapha nge-age sehambile like akufana nabo-Pirates whereby ukuthi you are bringing ama-youngsters with the energy you understand Sundowns monga-check i-lineup yabo if you can count uzobona ukuthi lama-player lawa sidlala ngama-player akhulile understand. I don't think what is important nabo they didn't have a coach ezokwazi ukubelievela in these young players because uWadu now was provile now uWadu we've seen this team ngoJose now une continue to manje ukwazile ukuthi athathe uDansini amfake lapho uyabona ukuthi azeni mfana hamba uswima nabo Shaka lapha sport ukuthi uzokhona uphumelela but leyo believe this is what we want from the coach it shows ukuthi uyabelievela kule ntwana ezincane as long as you work hard uzoyithola opportunity but ku Sundowns uyabona nje ngathi lapha nje uvela ufakwe the way ngakhona because I don't think labafana abanye babanikile enough chance.
Yeah, that's why ngithi you don't know who to blame but now this Mikel Cardoso mele sibe nevar he lacked the quality as a coach. He's got players sometimes for me that's a belief they still have players but the players that Sundowns have ifuna ukomplimentwa angeke upheke kungaphakwa sidli njoba ngisho they let i-technical team kunento ekumele bazilungise. The dead players bebangabanceda in Thembi Nkosi nge-speed, bring another dimension, individual brilliance as well. Lo mfana uMabhena one of the best talent. Mangibona umfuke ngibona uMabhena, given a chance, they don't believe in that. Asinankinga ukubelieve, but sengikhuluma nangale game Saturday, they had so many ball position predictable, they play side to side, backward, too many negative. But the philosophy I know ukuthi bona will keep it. Yabo, Sundowns phela iPirates na ezincedile ukuyicolayiza, if because iyashifta nje game immediate Pirates equalized because allowed so many spaces and a bit dangerous. Michael mawungacheka, we allow too many passes why Sundowns because they believe after scoring noma ngabe be negative. But well done to Pirates for creating chances. I think second half they came better, refresh ngoba na mawungababheka they respected Pirates Sundowns first half, but second half what they did, they cheated more. A police akancane ukudlala iwing. I think bamsayine la umfukeng adlala khona, and it's a big problem. Yabo umfukeng is proved himself several times. Police has proved himself several times naye, but ku Pirates on the left hand side not much. Bamdlalisa ka right and uthanda kuba half winger, and they made peace with that. Second half, well done ukuthi badlale half in Orlando Pirates. Sundowns almost hating. They got 3 clear-cut chances. They never had City. They had a good game in terms of security ball. The way Pirates might nabo Golden Arrows, they play open game. They never played the open game. They were cautious, respecting Sundowns. And the Sundowns intelekile gibo. I wouldn't say they respect Orlando Pirates. Intelekile gibo mina. They banga na equality from Sundowns. They didn't have equality. That's my observation.
Yeah, but I think now Carlos is scared of the Orlando Pirates.
Yeah, true.
Because monga check and the way like maga approach game against the Pirates. If you can check amasapu njengoba bukhuluma, you choose ukuthi angayisaba Pirates. I think now owadu na uze kule game okay ngizodlala nabantu abo number 1 even if usise nama game in hand. I'm playing a Sundowns, even a Sundowns player is not playing good at the moment, but akusabantu ngavele
yeah, true. Nama ya with you. So ngeke usilahle.
Angeke uvele uzilahlele, and ukhumbule Pirates was playing on Wednesday, on Tuesday I think bebadlala, and then we are going to play well rested Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah.
I think into enkulu ukuthi no thina tisibheke sicala sibabone ukuthi masiza deep sibabone, because iPirates bashayingana okay, more defender deep it's good because the Sundowns they can't get behind your defense, but bona iba difficult kubi modlala deep. Once you play more low block, it's difficult to get into opponents half very quick, you understand? Because every time everybody is too deep. That's why in the second half they were able to create more chances, because manje they want to go to badlale more higher.
Bapressile bebapressa futhi bebapressa ngithile into esisho ya
shows ukuthi manje lapho bebabonisa ukuthi okay we are capable ukuthi lento le man singaba overpower nabantu. But overall mini game I think iPirates they should have won the game. Ngizwile nama abantu bakhala bathi umbulo rumbatho renini. But at the end of the day, if iPirates the basebenzisile ama chance wabo bakora lapha, I don't think ukuthi namhlanje ngabe sikhuluma ngaloko. Ngabe sikhuluma ngokuthi iPirates ine depth emnandi without abombule, without into kumele sibe happy ngayo ukuthi even badlala nangabantwana they still get ama results.
Mina I will say iPirates had chances ewatholile 3 njengoba ngisasho ngikhuluma clear. Second half decision making lo mfana lo did very well man uSiyema shy 1-2 beat ama midfielder amagwala labachita ababhaya abadlala lapha kule position, especially lapho mekhona i-defense lo mfana. That's why it's sort of a defensive midfield, very comfortable, and technical is very good, awareness yayibolela football understanding as well. Ngibona nali we interceptor kakhona kusigood tackle ushay 1-2 emnandi umfana boy lapha bemela pass lapho umreme sidlike ukhoneni. I think that's the best chance there Orlando Pirates etholile. Amanye I think noTito naye ulethe iPirates down, bamfaka second half, has let coach down and his teammate. Enye into Michael, I will be honest to you, wadu mina yiwo ngithi ngisafuna nginama questions amaningi. He was arrogant with le game angaywina. I'm telling you, if he put Umbatha second half noma ngabe icalile le ntwana, yes Pirates believe in youngsters, but it's game that you can't risk ezusho. I'm ngifan intwana le ntwana zoyithola up experience if azidlali, but you look at opposition Sundowns, this season they are not abekho kule level le Sundowns thina siyazi ngayo. Sundowns is terrible, I need to be honest, but they still remain number 1. People ba cautious mabadlala nayo, and no wadu na mina ngidisappointed, and wadu ke has got a team, strong team that can beat Sundowns. Honestly masikhuluma ivara pound to pound. Decision making I think is wrong. Sengikhuluma ngama sub bekumele amfaka umbule nombatha. eliminate uDancil Miyeko noMtechela Nduli. Nemtechela become defensive midfield and Mbatha go forward box to box. Udlalisa Mbulu number 10. He was gonna get a goal. Nenye into umkhiphela Evident Makhupa. That's why ngithi questionable mina coaching yakhe. Ukhipha ufaka ubani uKwayiba. When did he last play?
That's why ngisho ngithi like do sometimes got surprises ngaloko vele because you'll never know ukuthi uzoyenzani. But yena so far so good for yena ku Pirates.
Yeah.
Because monga checka man uqala ama games kabi and then wathola momentum wachubeka wina ama games. Njengo Dancing I think he chose ukuthi mhlambe la uthi awuthepile vele ku outback because football ngetalent njengoba bosasho ukuthi mhlambe bekafuna ama player azomamela because
instructions is very important. Some coaches that's how they think.
So but that's how football should be played because without instruction angeke uzenzele umathanda ngokuthi uthi wena wazi ibhola. You understand? There are players ukuthi angeke ukhona but modern football manje you need the instructions because it's a game of tactics. So everybody melazi ukuthi mina ngoperate up ngenzani. Yeah.
But to add in as contradict unfortunately labafana bawine they put us World Cup as we speak uthi ungikhuluma ngoMbule noMbatha now recently. We just want we qualified. Those players plays a major role. It's unfortunate. Mina Mbule mangithi abantu Pirates ayimdlalisi regularly. Enye ingwenye yangibuza kwenye garage ngithi akadlali vele ku regular. Namanje is proven. So those players vital. They just put us through amongst the players. Badlala indima enkulu talent squad even Zimbabwe. Mbule played a major role against big European international players dlala Europe la was Nigeria. Relaxed talent in fact hardly lose the ball decision making let us play in Kuma international and then you come at Paris against kule game uzomthatha umbeke benchini 90 minutes as well questionable as a coach unfortunately. Yes njengoba usho ufuna ama player coach Mbule you can coach, you can play under instruction, you can play as a talent. We are using talent player khona ama player talented but you can play with instruction. Also talent but I believe with talent I don't think he play ngayithatha instruction because mangimbona adlala kola no Pirates the reason they play him week in and week out it's because of instruction also using his talent. So I think coach you totally wrong but at Sundowns this guy Kudus I'm very disappointed at Mamelodi Sundowns as a whole. The way I change Sundowns ngakhona they look ordinary. They hardly each and every game they win it looks like honestly it's like they are lucky. Yeah, but yes, he won 5. I say they've got quality players more than having a coach. Players themselves, they win. That's my observation. Among Pegama player because of the quality. Sundowns still have a quality side game. Still, if you Sundowns, we have no Renas. Change.
I think Pirates my Pirates is stronger than Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah.
Laba khutman monga pega manje everybody manje sekababonile Sundowns ukuthi if they play against ama low block teams they struggle. Ba struggle kakhulu abakwazi ukuba ne plan B from that, understand? So ama coaches vele manje mahlakaniphila azobashanga lento le and then they will struggle ukuthi ba break any defense ngalento abafuna ukudlala because we can pass the whole day if uthola ama opponent ahlakaniphila azokutshela ukuthi asibayikeleni abaphase lapha mngwethu kuphela. Bakwata labantu when you try to play behind them kula ubakwatisa khona abafuna ukuthena ababheka ibhala labo but manje ngendlela abadlala ngayo abadlala ordinary.
Yeah, true. Recently, right. Because the coach, Joba Ngisho, I think the weakest link in the team, Sundowns, they still have quality side. That's my argument to anyone. Mangbuza, that's the reason why Bashela Pagu number 1, even if we say they win. Pelamasigba weak, true. Why Bangabi Chunguma PSL, when they play against them, they're cautious. Slibede weak. But weak, we say whatever, Lord, but they're number 1 as we speak. Pirates game in hands, true. Team that is best for me when I watch Nangamehlo Pirates, one of the best team in terms of attacking. But I was surprised Nabuba cautious with their game. There were the chances for me, Pirates should have won the game. There was Angadala according to his strength sabo. Michael Kudus is the weakest thing. Yeah, Michael Fitnyabonga Siva, say I rap on Fit Manje. Junior Kanye TV, don't forget hashtag bet with the best hashtag World Sport Betting. Junior Kanye Michael Gambudi. Yes, I drop a fandak in a manje on.